Hi, I'm Annabelle, and I'm here to explain the process of altering an image or adding to an image to create prototypes of 4 possible solutions. My project involved creating prototypes that could have many possibilities. Therefore, I needed a program that could easily manipulate a picture I had taken so I could implement the aspects I wished to use to improve the entrance to our high school. Google Drawings allows me to easily add shapes on top of an actual picture to show the design changes I wish to make. For example, I wanted to implement benches as you enter the school. This program worked nicely. I began with a blank drawing board, as seen on the screen. I had already downloaded the images I took of the blank area for the benches, therefore I just needed to go and insert the image. By going to Insert and Image, I could select the picture of the blank wall, which was right here. After inserting the image, I needed to fit it to the size of the Google Drawing. In this case, this picture was already close. After stretching the image, I could then begin implementing shapes to fit the size of the bench. Here I go to Insert, Shape, and I chose a rectangle because that was the most simple shape to use. You just have to stretch it to the size you wish to use. And there's the top of the bench. I can go back to Shapes and Rectangle to create the legs of the bench. After creating one leg, I could easily copy and paste it to make the other side. By going to Command C and then Command V, it created another leg. I could also use these front legs to make the back legs by rotating the angle right here. Command C, Command V, and I can make it for the other side as well. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Now I fit it there, and there are the legs. I also know the color of the bench, so it's quite easy to just go up here to fill color, and in this case these benches are light green, so I selected that. So there's the Google Drawing that I created to show the benches I wish to implement in front of our windows. Another interesting aspect of this program is the fact that I can add text over an image. For example, I wanted to add the "We Are Woodstock" motto to one of the blank walls in our high school. Therefore, I just had to go to Insert, Image, and select the picture of the blank wall, which is down here. Here is the blank wall. And after the image is inserted, I needed to fit it again to the size of the Google Drawing. After fitting, instead of inserting a shape here, I insert a text box. The text box you can easily stretch the size you wish to make. In this case, since the wall is rather large, I'd want to make the text box large. Then, by typing "We Are Woodstock," I could edit the font and size. Here's where font size is, 96. Seems large now, but I'm going to change the font. Here's the font, and then I can go here to get a block style font, which is common in our school. I want to center it, which is here. And of course we have our school colors, which you can also change the color of the text here. And there you go. There's an example of using Google Drawings to add text. For the 2 prototypes I have shown, it is possible to make multiple drawings to decide which would work best. For example, the painting "We Are Woodstock" could easily be manipulated when it comes to size, font, or angle. Having the ability to make these alterations, it could provide me with a more well-rounded proposal. So, for example, for this drawing I could easily change the font, or change the angle by twisting this ball at the top to create multiple possibilities when proposing my idea. In conclusion, it is evident that Google Drawings is a simple program with many tools to help me create the prototypes for each implement.